welcome and or welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another Mocha Cosmetics video. This is their new collection. This is how I got this beautiful overall look. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. No, I'm playing, I'm just joking. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this tutorial and hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.